Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Media Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a border or how to add a frame effect for your pictures or images on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to add a border effect or a frame effect on your image on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile. Just going to show. For that, first of all, I'm just going to insert the image. After inserting the image, I just going to resize it and just place it here. So I just need a border effect. So if you are just clicking on the image, you can find the picture tool option on the bottom. Now you just need to click on the picture effect or the style option. So here you can find different type of borders like white border and with a large border, like a frame. If you just need it, click on the style option, and if you just need a black border, you can just keep it on the three different styles of border, like a big border like this. Otherwise you can just choose the border with the white and black, and the same white and black with the large thing, and this is another thing. So this is how you just create a frame effect on your or border effect on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile for the image. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Media Unique. Have a wonderful day.